So the question we have is 4 over 9 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 27 over 8 raised to the power x. So we have to find the value of x. So let's put here solution. And then we have on the left hand side, we have 4 out of 9 raised to the power x plus 1. This is equal to, on the right, we have 27 all over 8 raised to the power x. Now what we're going to do here is that we can write 4 over 9 using 2 and 3 as basis for both 4 and 9 respectively. So we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2 all over 3 also to the power of 2 all raised to the power x plus 1. This is equal to, we can express 27 using a base of 3. So we can write 27 as 3 raised to the power 3 all over 8 also can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 and all raised to the power x. So now what we're going to do is that we know that 3 over 2, 3 raised to the power 2 over 3 raised to the power 2, they all have a common power. So we can write this as 2 out of 3 all raised to the power 2, meaning that the 2 is distributed for both 2 and 3. So the fraction 2 over 3 all have a power of 2. So 2 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the power 2, which is the same. Now we've introduced a bracket and put a power that was there before, which is x plus 1. And then this is equal to, we know that here we shall do same 3 over 2 all raised to the power a common power, which is 3. But then we copy our initial power of x that was there before. Now when we do this, we can see that looking at the equation carefully, the left hand side and the right hand side, it will be appropriate if we make the fractions to become the same at both sides, as the basis to become the same. So what we shall do is that we shall make the left hand or the right hand side to turn upside down so that the numerator becomes the denominator. So here we shall copy our 2 out of 3 raised to the power 2 into bracket x plus 1. This is equal to, here what we're going to do is we are going to write this as 2 out of 3 now raised to the power, our exponent will now be negative. So whatever exponent we have, now it will be negative. So we shall have negative 3x. All right. So now let's, and then we continue from here. So there we have 2 out of 3 all raised to the power 2 into bracket x plus 1. This is equal to 2 also out of 3 on the right hand side, also raised to the power negative 3x. So now that the bases are equal, we equate the exponents. So we shall have 2 into brackets x plus 1 is equal to negative 3x. Now solving for the value of x, we distribute these 2 over, we shall have 2x plus 2 is equal to negative 3x. And so we shall have 2x plus 3x. Let me write this properly. This will give us 2x plus 3x is equal to negative 2, and so we shall have 5x to be equal to negative 2. And so we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 5, and so this cancels out, and our x is equal to -2 out of 5. And that is the answer to this question. On that note, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next and other videos. Bye bye.